Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively study for the SAT Full Guide. Begin by taking a timed diagnostic to locate gaps, then set a weekly plan that mixes focused practice with timed full tests. Break sessions into 25 to 50-minute intervals with short breaks, and rotate math, reading, and writing practice to prevent burnout. Track progress with scores and adjust study intensity based on improvement and upcoming test dates. Focus on active practice by using official tests and immediate review to turn mistakes into learning. Practice with realistic timing and simulate test day conditions to build stamina and pacing. After each practice, catalog error types and create short drills to fix recurring weaknesses in algebra, data analysis, and passage interpretation. Gradually increase the difficulty of practice and keep a steady rhythm to avoid last-minute cramming and anxiety. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making study guides. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which is great for study playlists, timers, and hands-free focus tools. I spotted it while prepping my own workspace and thought it was worth sharing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Adopt smart strategies that save time and reduce errors, such as eliminating wrong choices and checking work with substitutions. Practice mindfulness and simple breathing exercises to lower test anxiety before and during the exam. Set achievable score targets, celebrate small improvements, and use consistent, short study sessions to maintain momentum. Remember that steady, deliberate practice yields bigger gains than last-minute cramming and keeps confidence high on test day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.